Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making chicken parmesan and I got all my recipes that I needed right here. So I have chicken breast, I have my flour mixture right here, I have some eggs, and I have for my parmesan right here, instead of breadcrumbs, I'll use Doritos. So give it a little taste to my chicken, and breadcrumbs is too boring, so let's stay tuned and watch. So these are all my spices that I'm using in my chicken. It's just to demonstrate, and also I don't use a lot of spice because my flour got spice, my eggs got spice, and the Doritos is already nice and spicy. So here you have it guys, nice and seasoned. So I'm gonna place my chicken right here. I'm only using one breast that I cut in half just for demonstration, well seasoning. So over here to my flour, press it, make sure you press it like this guys. You want all your chicken to well floured, so all that lovely goodness can stick right into your chicken. See? Shake, shake, shake. Now we're gonna go right into our egg. See? Make sure it's well covered. Just like that, guys. See that? And now into my Parmesan Doritos mixture. Right here. Beautiful and tasty chicken. Now after you finish this, you want to rest your chicken aside. This is what you're looking for. Beautiful, ain't it? So guys, this is my chicken that I've just seasoned, so I'm going to show you. It's going into my pot. Look at that. Now you don't want your stove to be too high because you don't want only outside to be crispy and nice and the inside of your chicken don't cook. So that's how you want it guys, okay? You want to fry it on both sides, and then I'm going to show you the sandwich that I'll be making with this chicken parmesan. So there goes my chicken guys. I'm going to finish it off in the oven and I'll be right back. So now guys, this is my finished parmesan chicken and I'm going to make it into a sandwich like I said. So I'm using roast sweet potato. Now guys, I want you to try this. It is so delicious. Sweet potatoes, some lovely pickles, cheese, tomatoes, some onions, not too much. I'm not using too much. I have my mayo here that I'm going in with, and you can put as much as you want guys. Some ketchup, and you can also go with your mustard, but I don't like mustard. And my lettuce right here on top. And now look at that guys, beautiful, ain't that? I want you guys to try this recipe. Now guys, look at that. And I'm going on top with some lovely garnish. Look at that guys. This is the real deal. This is like burger without the bread and without the beef. You're using your nice chicken with some sweet potatoes. It is so delicious. So sweet, so delicious, guys. Look at that. Guys, you should try this. This is so good. So delicious. You don't need no bread. So delicious. Cooking is like art, guys. Ooh. Beautiful. Guys, remember, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, okay? And like, comment, share, and then let me know down below what you guys would love to see I make for you.